Hi guys, welcome. Today I'm going to share with you my favorite Korean breakfast and I'll show you how I like to serve it. I'm making today Yachaejeon, which is a vegetable pancake, and Pajeon, which is an egg-based pancake but with scallions in it. So I'm going to combine these two and make my favorite version of savory pancakes to have in the breakfast. So let's get started. For this recipe, I took one medium-sized carrot grated, 1 or 2 scallions or spring onions finely chopped, 2 tablespoons of yellow bell pepper. You can take any bell pepper of your choice, but I like to make my breakfast colorful. Half of grated zucchini. I've squeezed the water out of this. 1 Thai red chili finely chopped, and 1 egg. I'm taking all the ingredients in a bowl and mixing it first. Look how colorful and beautiful it looks at this stage. Now I'm adding 1 beaten egg, 1 tablespoon of all-purpose flour, adding salt to taste and some pepper. Now I'm mixing all of this together to form a nice batter. You can make this without using egg. Make sure you have some wet ingredient to bind all the things together. Our batter is ready for fresh hot pancakes. My pan is hot and I'm adding some olive oil. Just spread that oil all over the pan. You could also use butter to make this. I'm taking small portions of the batter and just pouring it on the pan. You can make as thick or as thin you want, but I like to make them like the small and thinner. We'll wait until the bottom of the pancake is nice and brown in color, and then we'll flip it. It's brown, it's not overly cooked, but I like some crispiness, so I will allow it to turn a little more brown. The flame is on medium because you do want to cook all the vegetables equally. It already smells amazing. You can completely take this out and serve it like this, but the way I like to serve it is I like to add some cheese. I'm adding these cheese slices because it's very easy to use. I'm just going to cut that into 4 pieces. And now I'm going to cover this with the other pancake and allow it to melt the cheese completely. Sometimes I like doing 1 cheese slice in between the 2 pancakes, and sometimes I'll just enjoy it a cheese on the top. So it's completely optional. You can serve it just the way you like it. These pancakes are crispy from the outside and the cheese gives a very soft flavor and texture, and the Thai red chili in it gives the perfect spice. You can serve these pancakes with a dip of your favorite choice, but I like to serve it with cheese and my favorite smoothie. If you do want to check out this recipe of the smoothies, I will link in the description. So there you have it, a super easy, healthy and nutritious breakfast. I hope you give this recipe a try, and if you enjoyed it, then share it with your friends, and don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel.